So let me welcome our next performer, Kajal Advani. So short introduction for Kajal. Featured at the prestigious 2024 edition of Spoken Fest, she goes by the name of Poetic Perspective, reminding us that everyone has their own unique viewpoint to share. So let's welcome Kajal as she shares her perspective with us tonight.
Hi, my name is Kajal Advani. I'm a writer and a spoken word artist, and as ma'am said, I go by the handle Poetic Perspective. It started off as an Instagram username, and then I realized that's my perspective on life. So I am incredibly nervous, if I'm being very honest. Also, because I think as writers, we all have certain topics that we avoid writing about. And the list of themes Smitaji sent me, I was like, I wanted to avoid this, but okay, I'll try this. And of course, I mean, it's truly an honor to be here. It's an honor to be asked to perform on something which is important and what really matters. If I forget my poem, I'm really, really sorry. But I'll just start. It's trigger warning sexual assault. It's titled What Girls Are Taught. I wanted to write about sexual assault. An image flashed in my mind. Sitting on my desk, scribbling furiously, pen flying across the page, my face, the picture of anger, scrunched up eyebrows, and a calm sigh once I finished writing. Choosing to perform it. Hands flying across stage, my face, the depiction of growth, my voice reaching the highest decibels, my poem demanding justice for us all. But reality shattered that image. You see, I was the picture of calmness, or maybe numbness. I thought, sexual assault. I've never written about it. But what's new? This poem doesn't need any research. I have already learnt it all. We all have. You see, women are taught everything when they are just girls. We experience sexual assault before we learn what is sex, before we learn what is intimacy, before we learn what is love. We are taught that love is precious. We are taught that there are 5 love languages and the 6th one is abuse. If he pulls your choti, it means he likes you. The guy I liked when I was 12 stole my beanie hat in the middle of winter. My father came down and screamed at him, and I stood there wondering, does he like me? The guy I dated when I was 14 tried to find ways to speak to me by creating problems with my bicycle, problems only he could solve. We learn that love is discomfort, sure, but we are taught that causing discomfort is love. And we learn quickly, so we don't report. We are taught, be afraid outside. Trust no one. There are monsters everywhere. I want to teach society that the monsters always find a way to be a part of the inner circle. The monsters are the people we are taught to trust, so we don't report. We are taught. ये तो प्यार है. ये हमारा special secret होगा. Marital rape doesn't exist. You know what doesn't exist? Justice. We learn that justice is a myth. I was 13 when the Nirbhaya case happened. I asked my mom, what's rape? I don't remember her answer, but I remember the fear in her eyes. I see it every day around me. I was 20 when Nirbhaya finally got justice. We learn that justice delayed is justice denied. We learn that people don't believe, so it's best to stay quiet. क्यों अपना मुंह काला करवाना है? सुन, अगली बार ढंग के कपड़े पहनना. We are taught to cover up. We are taught that hoodies protect us. In winters, from the cold air, and in summers, from all the stairs. I want to tell society that is not true. I want to teach society that is not true. The stairs don't stop. They happen everywhere while walking, in the auto, in the bus, in the metro, in the train, at the airport, at weddings, at funerals, at restaurants, everywhere. But instead of stopping the stairs, we are taught how to defend. Yeah, I'll demonstrate, okay? Number one, just look straight ahead. Completely ignore them. Number two, here's where the resting bitch face comes in handy. Give them the dirtiest look you can muster, but beware. Use the second one only if you dare. Be prepared. We are taught to not argue, especially when returning home late at night. Why pick a fight? Just nod and let it subside. Only time you must argue when they take a wrong turn. That happened to me once. I got down because maps showed a lonelier road and he refused to believe me. My mom called me a second later. Beta, did you see you're on the wrong road? Yes, ma, I know. I'm searching for another one. I'll be home soon. We learn to share our locations instantly, loudly. Take care. Sun, send me your location, huh? Side glance to the driver. Did he hear? Does he know that I am there to protect her? We learn to protect every girl we meet. We learn to protect ourselves. We are taught how to defend ourselves. But you know what hurts the most? We are taught to accept. We are sympathetic when someone shares their story, but we are not surprised. We learn that every girl, every woman has been through hell. I hope the next generation of girls don't learn what we did. I hope we teach them well. Thank you.